Hello everyone, I'm Rowena and I am from Philippines and currently residing in Japan for almost 4 years, and I am an assistant English teacher in Japan for almost 3 years. And I'm making this video because I would like to share my basic knowledge in Nihongo and my knowledge and how are you going to teach English as a second language into the other countries. I like foods, comedies, entertainment, news, current events in the Philippines, and also I like traveling. And I also have a travel online business here in Japan. And please, if you have the same interest, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you here, and please enjoy watching my videos, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. じゃあ皆さん、よろしくお願いします。I'm sharing this video because it is very important to a YouTuber to tell about your interest and what are your likes for your viewers, because some of the viewers don't like readings. They don't read everything in your channel. Therefore, it is very important to speak in yourself for your viewers, for them to know, and they like, subscribe, and share your channel if they like your interest. The same interest, more connections, more connection, more subscribers, and more likes and shares. I hope I can help you in this way. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And the same interest, please leave a message. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel at ang pag-usapin natin ay tungkol sa ang probinsyano. Ang pagbabalik ng probinsyano. Phone bill, water bill, electric bill, water bill, phone bill.